Joy, it smells amazing here. What is this place? Said Buddy. This is a chocolate factory, Buddy. They make all sorts of delicious treats here. Did you know chocolate comes from cocoa beans that grow on trees? Joy replied, Cocoa beans. I thought chocolate grew in candy shops, said Buddy. Nope. Cocoa beans are dried and roasted to create cocoa powder. That's what gives chocolate its rich flavor, said Joy with a smile. Buddy, whoa, I'm learning already. Let's go inside, Chocolatier said. Oh dear. Some of our special chocolate molds have disappeared, and now we can't finish the treats in time for the big candy festival. Buddy, a mystery? Joy, we have to help. Joy, we sure do. Let's follow the clues, Buddy. Chocolatier, thank you. I'm sure you'll find something. Just watch out for the mischievous squirrel. He's been sneaking around. Buddy, I smell chocolate and something crunchy. That could be cocoa nibs, said Joy. Cocoa nibs are bits of crushed cocoa beans. They taste really rich and are packed with flavor. Buddy, I knew my nose was amazing. Let's keep following the trail. Buddy says, wow, it's like a chocolate waterfall in here. These machines mix chocolate, replies Joy, with milk and sugar to make it smooth and creamy. It takes a lot of careful timing to get the perfect taste. Buddy, I wonder if they need a taste tester or a sprinkle dog. Buddy, aha, it's the squirrel. Joy, looks like he's been gathering molds for his nest. Let's help him find some better material. Maybe he'd like some soft leaves instead, says Buddy. Joy, great idea, Buddy. Let's gather some outside and bring them back. Buddy, this place looks like a treasure chest. Joy, wrapping machines keep the chocolate fresh and protected before it's sent to stores. Each wrapper is designed to catch your eye. Buddy, if I had my own chocolate bar, it would have my face on it. Joy, I'd definitely buy that, Buddy. The chocolate maker thanked Joy and Buddy and said, Thank you, Joy and Buddy. Now we can finish our chocolate treats just in time. Buddy, all in a day's work for Detective Buddy. Joy, great job, partner. Buddy, chocolate mysteries taste delicious. Joy, just remember, Buddy, too much chocolate isn't good for dogs. This treat is special just for you. Buddy, best case closed ever.